Want to play the Monopoly game with your Facebook friends? Then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in the Monopoly Go app with the Facebook. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Monopoly Go app. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this. Now tap onto three lines at the top just right here. Just like this. Then here you can find the settings option. Now tap on it. Then tap on to manage account just right here. Then to log in with Facebook, simply tap on to play with friends on the Facebook just right here. Now tap on it. Then tap on to continue. Then choose your Facebook account and tap on to continue just like this. And now you can see the Facebook has been connected. Now you can add your Facebook friends and play with them. And that's it. This is how you can log in with the Facebook in the Monopoly Go app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.